Hi, everybody. How are you today? Good. It's so good to see you. I'm Mrs. Holbrook and, of course, Baby Echo, and we're ready to go warm up. Now that we've learned all of the sounds, we can do them all. I'm so excited. Here we go. A apple, a. B bat, b. C cat, k. D dog, d. E ed, eh. F fun, G game, g. H hat, I itch, I. J jug, j. K kite, k. L lamp, l. M man, mm. N nut, mm. O octopus, ah. P pan, Q u queen, qu. R rat, S snake, s. T top, t. U up, V van, v. W wind, w. X fox, x. Y yellow, y. Z zebra, z. Excellent job. Were there any that were tricky for you? Let's practice a couple that are sometimes tricky. Okay. We'll use the picture. Q U queen, qua. X fox, x. E ed, eh. D dog, d. Are you repeating after me? I hope so. And a few more vowels. A apple, ah. O octopus, ah. U up, and I itch, it. Great job. Now it's time to sing our vowels. Let's bring our vowels up. And here we go. A, apple, a. Remember, our vowels are open mouth sounds and we stretch them out. E, ed, eh. Do it with me. I, itch, I. O, octopus, ah. U, up, Great job with those vowels, my friend. Okay, friends, we're going to play a game. Now, if you were here in school with me, I'd call you up to the board, but since you're not, the game will be a little bit different. So, I am going to close my eyes, and Baby Echo's going to fly over here to a letter. And whatever letter he landed on, can you tell me what's the letter's name? This one he landed on, right here. What's its name? What sound does it make? Mmm. And what are three words that start with this letter? Oh, good one. Come on, three, give me more. Here's my words. Money, monkey, mom, magazine, Massachusetts, Michigan. Okay, let's try another one. Baby Echo's gonna fly to a letter. This one. Okay, what's this letter's name? What sound does it make? Ooh, qu. Very good, the Q. Three words that start with qu. Let me hear your three words. Nice. See if I can think of three. Of course, queen. Quincy. Have you guys ever been to that town? Quincy. It's near us in Massachusetts. Quick. I'm going to do something really quick. Quack. The sound a duck makes. Quack, quack. I think that was three. Okay, nice job. And you know what? I wonder if you can remember how to skywrite a QU. Well, a Q. Let's stand up and practice our skywriting. Does anyone remember what kind of letter the Q is? That's right. It's a plain line round letter. So here's what we'll do. Point to the plain line, go back around to the grass line and back to the plain line, trace down to the worm line, and then have him point to his buddy. QU queen qua. Great job. Okay, I'm going to close up my eyes and have baby Echo fly to another letter. Okay, she pointed, he pointed. Not sure what he prefers or she. What letter did baby Echo pick? What's its name? C, good. What sound does it make? K. Okay, 3 words that start with C. Wow, good ones. Let's see what I can come up with. Cat, color, crayon, candy, cotton candy, creep. I'm gonna creep in and look around and see what's going on over there. Good. Crayola, it's a brand. There's lots of C's. Good job. And now let's make our C. What kind of letter is the letter C? It's a plain line round letter. Very good. So we'll point to the plain line, start to fly backwards, go down and around to the grass line. C, cat, k. Okay, nice job with that game. We're going to try something new now. Okay, my friends, all of you should have a folder like this. It's your tile board at home that when you open it, should have all of these letters on here. Mine's blank right now because we're still making them. So what I need you to do is get your magnetic tile board and take off any letters that are on there. I want it to be empty. We're going to be doing ABC order. So you can pause the screen here in a minute when I'm done, and you need to put all of them back on your board and make it look just like mine. You have some other tiles in there that we haven't learned yet. We'll be learning them later in the year. I want you to make your board look just like mine. Okay, so pause here. If you need to look at my screen to help you, you can. If you think you know them without, that's fine too. Okay, and when you're done, come back and we'll sing the ABCs together. You're back! Did you finish putting all of your letters in ABC order? Oh my gosh, I'm so proud of you guys. Now let's sing it together. Point to your letters as we sing. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hi, Mama Echo. Good to see you. Okay, awesome job, guys. Those boards out. We're going to do echo find letters. So keep yours out and opened, just like mine, but flat on your tabletop. And repeat after me. Find. When I say find it, I want you to point to it. And now I'll ask you, what says S? Tell me the letter's name. S. Very good. Let's try some more. What says F? Tell me the letter's name. F. Here's a new one. V. Find V. What says V? V. Very good. Repeat after me. Ah. Find ah. What says ah? A. Repeat after me. X. Find X. What says X? X. Nice job, friends. You got a few more in you? Let's do it. Eh, find eh. What says eh? I. W. Find w. What says w? W. Okay, last one. Eh, eh. Find eh. And where could you look if you're stuck on these? Yeah, remember the student notebook? We put them all in here. So you could look on the consonants and say eh. Well, that sounds like ed. I know that's a vowel, but I forget which one. Let me find a picture of ed. There he is. Oh yeah, it's the E. What says eh? E. Nice job. So if you were in school today, it would actually be a test day. And tests are important because they help your teachers know which letters and which things you've learned and which things you need more help on. So sometimes people hear test and they get nervous, but it's really just for the teachers to know what to teach you next. It's important that when you have a test, you do your best and you show your best work so that we know how to teach you. So if you are in school today, you'll probably be doing the test. If you're at home, when you get into school, your teacher will probably give it to you. Or if you're fully remote, your teacher will find a time for him to or her to pop on and do the test with you. Here's what will be on the test so that you can feel ready. You are going to have to write all of your ABCs in order. So if you think you need to practice that, you could practice just going in order, writing A, B, C, D, and trying to write them the way that we learned. And then the next part of your test is the teacher would give you some sounds. You have to repeat the sound and write the letter. Okay, so that's all. So practice making sure you can write all your letters and you know all of the letter sounds. And we'll see you next time. Good luck.